How's it going, everyone? I'm Robbie McClure with KZRV. Today we're going to go over how to install backup camera on your RV. So let's dive right into it. Once you've got your backup camera, open up the box and we're going to take out the camera and the bracket, and we're going to remove the 4 screws on the 4 corners. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to do this. After removing those, we'll take the camera out, and then we'll take the monitor, the camera, and the power supply that came with your backup camera to our tow vehicle to be able to pair them up. So let's go do that now. Okay, so at this point, what we're going to do is we'll take the power supply and we'll plug it into our cigarette lighter, and then we will take the port that plugs into the back of our monitor and we will plug that in. And then our monitor is going to say that it doesn't have a signal, so then we're going to take the port that plugs in for our camera and plug it into the power supply, and the two will start to pair. Once they're paired, at this point we can go and install it on the trailer. So let's go install it on the trailer at this point. Okay, so now we're at the back of the trailer, and what we need to do is at the bracket there's going to be 4 screws on the 4 corners that we're going to need to remove. So we'll remove those. And then we will take our camera and we will plug the port into the plug that is supplied from the manufacturer. We will plug that in. And then we will put the 4 screws back in, and within doing this we want to make sure that we've taken the antenna and we flip it in the upward position. That way it can communicate with the monitor that's going to be in your tow vehicle. And that's going to complete how you install backup camera on your trailer. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video.